Hi everyone, I'm James Brown. I'm the volunteer podcast technician for Bethel Church Penticton. In this tutorial, you will learn how to use Levelator from your recently recorded live sermon audio file. Let's go to the tutorial right now. This is the step you've all been waiting for, the Levelator step. This is the way I would like you to access your recently saved WAV file from Audacity. So you go up here, you select it by left clicking, you right click, and this is in Finder. You go open with, and Levelator will be on the list. Because I'm using a Windows machine, I have it set to open in Levelator. So we're going to tell it to choose Levelator. As I said, it will already be in the list. So we're not going to click OK quite yet. So Levelator is already on the top of the list here in my Windows machine, but in Finder it'll be in the right click menu list. So just left click on it. It's already highlighted in my view. So I just click OK and do that. And Levelator will open and it'll actually, the program will open up, and your blue status bar, your progress bar, will actually run along from left to right. Your progress percentage is on the bottom of the app screen, app window. Because it's a large file, it's going to take a few minutes. So please be patient while you're doing this. And you'll probably notice that when it's levelating, that cute little we call it EQ in the business, the equalizer animation starts while it's levelating. So it's actually enhancing all the low points in the actual audio recording. So when you go to the next step, which is editing the sermon, which is another tutorial video, you'll see the difference between the original file and the Levelate file. And the Levelate file will have a output.wav in the file name, that is. And that's the file you open in Audacity in the next tutorial video, the sermon editing tutorial video, which would be this file name, and it'll say .output.wav. But that's a little teaser to the next tutorial video, which is the sermon editing tutorial video. I thought I should add that in there while this is levelating so that you're not completely bored to death. Because this step can be quite boring because you're basically not doing anything for at least 2 to 5 minutes while this is doing its magic. So, like that would be the time you go and grab the master CD blank for the today's sermon. And it's all about being productive as in your role as volunteer podcast technician. The more you can do in less time, the quicker you'll be able to get out of the church building, so to speak. And when I do my role as volunteer podcast technician, I basically think of ways I can do my job a lot more faster, quicker, and more efficient. So when I am actually finished, I'm finished within a reasonable period of time. And it should only take you between 30 minutes and an hour to do from start to finish. From the normalizing video right to uploading, from start to finish. It should take you between 30 minutes and an hour. That's if no technical difficulties occur. And that's basically how long it should take you. Between 30 minutes and an hour from start to finish. So this file is 463 megabytes. That's a fairly large file. So large that you can't even email the file. So you have to go to cloud storage, which is what we have done. That's how I've obtained this file without giving too much information. So we're near the halfway point. So once it gets to the very end on the right hand side, it will say complete. And when it does that, you can click on the X, the red X on the bottom right hand corner, or you can use the command Q to quit the app. So we're almost 3/4 of the way right now. And like I said earlier, it will have the file name with the .output.wav at the end of the file name. And I repeat, that's the file name you will use to open in the next tutorial video, the sermon editing tutorial video. So we're over 3/4 of the way done. And like I said earlier, this can be quite a boring process. So if and usually while that happens, I usually grab the master CD blank and bring it to the media computer workstation. Anything you can do to make your job go faster, I strongly recommend you do that. And it should take you, like I said again, between 30 minutes to an hour to do everything from start to finish. There's where it says complete. Now, when you do the right click menu, it'll automatically quit. Other methods, it doesn't automatically quit. So, that pretty much is it in a nutshell. Hi, we're back. If you need to rewind this video for any reason, please do so. Otherwise, I'll leave you with my email address. That's jameshcb23@gmail.com. That's jameshcb23@gmail.com. Thanks for watching.